Greetings with peace, viewers. Fish are an important part of many ecosystems. They are also an important food source for humans, providing a rich source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and other essential nutrients. However, it's important to consume fish in moderation and to choose fish that are low in contaminants. Note that not all fish are safe to be eaten. Before we proceed, can you do us a favor? Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Here are 8 types of fish you should avoid eating. Number 1. Shark. Sharks are at the top of the food chain. Shark meat is known to contain high levels of mercury. It accumulates high levels of mercury in their bodies. This can make consuming shark meat dangerous for pregnant women, children, and individuals with weakened immune systems. It also has high content of urea and ammonia. These can give the meat a strong, unpleasant odor and taste. Additionally, shark may contain high levels of trimethylamine oxide, which can cause the meat to spoil quickly if not handled and stored properly. Number 2. Swordfish. Similar to shark, some people avoid it due to concerns about mercury levels in the meat and should be limited in consumption. It can also contain other pollutants and toxins. These chemicals are persistent in the environment. It can accumulate in the fatty tissues of fish, making them potentially harmful for humans to consume. To minimize the risks, it is recommended to limit consumption and choose low mercury sources of seafood. Number 3. King mackerel. This fish has high levels of mercury and should be avoided, especially by pregnant women and young children. In addition to concerns about mercury, king mackerel sometimes caught using unsustainable fishing methods, such as gill nets and long lines. These harm other marine life, including sea turtles, sharks, and dolphins. Number 4. Tilefish. Tilefish is a deep-sea fish that can contain very high levels of mercury, making it unsafe for consumption. It's also a slow-growing and long-lived species. Tilefish is known for its firm, white flesh and mild, sweet flavor. It is a popular fish for grilling, baking, or frying, and is often served in seafood restaurants. Number 5. Orange Roughy. Orange Roughy is a deep-sea fish that is often overfished and has very slow reproductive rates, making it vulnerable to population depletion. It is known for its delicate, white flesh, which makes it a popular choice in the seafood industry. It can also contain high levels of mercury and other toxins. Number 6. Atlantic bluefin tuna. This type of tuna is also overfished and can contain high levels of mercury, making it a fish to avoid or eat only in moderation. Particularly, the bluefin tuna should be consumed in moderation or avoided by humans due to several reasons. Overfishing, mercury and other contaminants, bycatch, habitat destruction. Number 7. Imported catfish. Imported catfish can contain antibiotics and other chemicals that are not allowed in the United States and other European Union. These drugs are used to promote growth and prevent disease in farmed catfish, but they can also pose a risk to human health if consumed in high quantities. If you do choose to consume imported catfish, it is recommended that you purchase it from a reputable source that provides information about the origin and farming practices used to raise the fish. Number 8. Patagonian Toothfish. Patagonian toothfish, also known as Chilean sea bass, should be consumed in moderation, or avoided by some individuals due to concerns about sustainability and mercury levels. Chilean sea bass is prized for its firm, white flesh, which has a rich and buttery flavor. It is often served in high-end restaurants and is considered a luxury seafood item. It was listed as a threatened species under the Convention on International Trade in 2000. Still be consumed in moderation due to concerns about mercury levels. How to prevent from eating those fishes? 1. Check for advisories. 2. Know the source. 3. Ask questions. 4. Choose alternative species. 5. Be aware of mislabeling, be sure to check the labels. 6. Educate yourself. 7. Read labels. 8. Be cautious when traveling and consuming fish. 9. Prepare fish in a healthy way. 10. Consult with a healthcare professional. Avoiding those fishes mentioned is important to protect human health and the health of marine ecosystems. Certain fish species can contain high levels of toxins or contaminants that can be harmful to human health, while others are at risk of overfishing or are caught using unsustainable practices that harm other marine species. Let us help ensure that we are consuming fish that are safe and healthy, while also promoting the conservation of marine ecosystems and the sustainability of the fishing industry. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health benefits and tips, please subscribe to this channel. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. Thank you for watching.